I love your purr. This is Trey Amigos. He's one of a set of triplets. Julie Newmar, Deuce McKenzie, and Trey Amigos. I love his purr. This has just been a sort of a quiet, purry moment from Trey Amigos, sitting in the boss's easy chair while he's at work. Just some perfect, relaxing time for a couple of minutes. This has been Susan, Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. Thank you for purring along with us. Hi, Deuce. Hi, Deuce. All right. Thank you all so very much for watching, for liking, for subscribing, for sharing. There's the lens and all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.